I'm Liz Norton. I'm the Executive Director of Stone Soup Films, and I can't wait to tell you about all the amazing things that are going on at Stone Soup right now and why we really need your help to keep up this great work. We are donating strategic communications advice and a film that goes along with it to organizations that just could simply never afford this critical communications tool.
Who are we? What do we do?
When you really look at the kids in our communities, one of the things you just don't see is a consistent investment in who these kids are. And what we predicate our program on is empowering our young people to answer the most fundamental questions of life. Who am I and how do I belong?
It's really hard to pick where you give your contributions, but the leverage of the money that you give to Stone Soup is so enormous. If you're interested in education, if you're interested in the environment, if you're interested in domestic violence, if you're interested in anything having to do with helping the people in Washington, the ripple effect of your contribution to us is enormous. We have very little overhead, we're super scrappy, we do so much with so little. And I hate asking people for money, so just do it.